have to give way to at the end? Is the van going to be able to go? Good. Good. Well done. That was pretty well planned, but I had to push the right buttons to get you to do it, didn't I? Alright? Good. Any questions with anything over the last couple of mows?
Messed everything up today.
That's alright. Relax. Chill. Relax the hands. But again, maybe it's pushing you to areas that you're less familiar with.
That's...
Alright? You've got to rely on your observational work. That's disgraceful driving from the taxi, don't you think?
Overtaking and then
overtaking 20 zone, jumping straight through a red light. No wonder their insurance is absolute fortune.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on the white private hire taxi to my right at the front of the lights.
What do you really like?
Good job I was looking out for him.
You can't tell me you didn't know what was going on. It's a taxi driver.
Well,
You should know the road.
probably that oblivious.
That or a job's just come in and he's changed his mind.
Oh, that'll be what it is.
Then only a couple of minutes further up the road, he does this.
So you going through that red light as well? That's driving brilliant, hasn't it? Own situation.
This clip shows a driving instructor who's not really doing things in the correct way. I'm doing some instructor training at this point and we're just about to have a go at the emergency stop. And it's this driving instructor on the left with the door open that we're going to be watching.
That's a given that you're going round that as well.
Oh, yeah.
Personally, I don't signal round park ones. Yeah. Up to third, remember. Remember this one, give it the beans. No more speed, no more speed. Any second at all. Stop.
Jesus.
So as you can see, the ABS is really difficult to get in, isn't it?
So after this attempt, me and my trainee parking on the left and we discuss what we've done and how it can be improved. In the meantime, the learner that we passed a little earlier is starting to get on with their lesson. The footage is zoomed in quite a way, so it's not as clear as it probably could be. Now I understand what the instructor's trying to do here. It's a common problem with pupils at an early stage, and it's to teach them how far away from the curb that they are. But how this instructor goes about this now, for me, is massively wrong and he shouldn't be doing it. Have a watch. His door's just come open and he's letting his pupil drive down the road in this way.
Like we've just done. Is that driving instructor moving with the door open?
What is he doing there?
Is he just driving with the door open? To show them?
To show them what?
To show them how close he is to the curb?
There is simply no reason to be doing this while you're driving down the road. The pupil's attention should be in front of the car, and if they want to gauge how far they are away, maybe have a glance in the left door mirror. If the instructor opens the door while you're moving, it creates all kinds of risk and danger, and in any case, do you really want your pupil to be looking down there? Maybe the pupil should have a look at this video instead, which shows you how to park next to the curb without scraping your wheels. Funnily enough, I shot it on this road also. And I don't honestly think the instructor could do any harm by watching it himself.
Anyway,
poor people. Oh my god, I can imagine if a cyclist was on that road.
Well, like you said, it's not the best. Anyway, let's move on.
Yeah.
Please watch the four-wheel drive vehicle behind and fill in the blanks yourself.
Is he seriously going to overtake and then turn left? If he turns left now, he's the year. Yeah, absolute of the year. Big car, tiny.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, mate.
That's true.
Too fast, Ellie. That comes from listening, so try and listen to the sound of your engine and know what it's doing with the sound a little more. Alright? That's perfect. Good decision. Wasn't a good decision by that one, was it? No. Why was that really dangerous as well? Good. Do you think that us stopping might be a trigger for that filter traffic to start to move as well? So that car overtaking us at that point was absolutely lethal. Alright? Do you know what the white and black sign means?
National speed limit.
Good. How fast are we allowed to go up here?
40.
60.
Oh, okay. I've got 40 on the screen there. I don't know
No,
what.
it's not. It's 60. Not really the best idea for fourth gear with the cyclist in the park cars. Slow it down. Slow it down more. Brake more. Brake more. Keep away. Clutch down. Second gear. You didn't brake enough and you went up through the higher gear
Yeah.
right into a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah? So don't just go through the gears.
Yeah.
Have a look to see whether it's worth it. Onto it.
Yeah.
And even there, I was saying brake more and you still were only just touching it.
Yeah.
We must give this fella 1.5 meters room. We can't at the moment, so what are we going to do? Perfect. Just keep steady with it. We can't see far enough to be able to complete that and still give him the room. So
Yeah.
what are we going to do?
Stay behind them.
Absolutely. It's doing 18 miles an hour, so it's not too bad.
Quite impressive, to be honest.
Yeah. Good. Is there room at all yet?
No.
Is there going to be room with all these bends?
No.
No? Keep pedalling, mate. Thanks. He heard me. But yeah, just be patient, just hold back. It's perfect. Keep up with him as well. We don't want to drop away nor catch. We just want to keep the same. Okay, he's looking over his shoulder. Is he going to overtake people there? Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my word.
Seems like it.
Okay, off we go. So he's overtaken, then to slow people down. What a selfish man. Anyway, you have to be ready to deal with them safely.
Yeah.
Alright, even if they don't want to act in a proper and safe manner, we're going to. Alright, we have the metal box, whereas if we have an argument with a cyclist between us in the car and them on a bike, who's going to win? Of course, big time, they're going to die, aren't they?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have to think for their stupidity and their impatience sometimes.
Yeah.
Alright, and that's literally it. Doesn't matter whether we're getting held up for a little moment. We'll show some patience even though the cyclist didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. I refuse to have anyone's balls on my hands.
You're not wrong, and that is such a lovely way to think, Beth. Totally agree with you. Remember, as we're coming up towards a corner,
Yeah, you stop.
we'll listen. Will it need anything? Where do we look? Where should you be trying to see? Do we need to slow down anymore? Good, well done. How far can you see around there? Good, what's it like now? Well done, good. Is she for real?
second gear. Hold on mate, find somewhere to park on the left. What I'd like to do is just remind everyone of how dash cams distort images. That Renault was really close in front. So much so you may have heard a beep just as the blue Renault turned the corner, and that was my car's collision warning system actually going off. I'd like to also now take this opportunity to change my mind on the blue four-wheel drive that overtook us a little bit earlier on in this upload. I think this Renault takes the prize. Thanks a lot for watching everyone. See you all soon.